Blanchard's Onefit MED workshop will be available at Vision by Design on Thursday, May 16th from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. And I recently got the opportunity to talk briefly with Tom Arnold as well as Blanchard's National Sales Director, Lee Buffalo, to tell attendees what they can expect at the Onefit MED workshop. All right, I have Dr. Tom Arnold on with me right now. Dr. Tom Arnold is an optometrist and owner at Today's Vision, Sugar Land, Texas, and a fellow of the Scleral Lens Education Society. Dr. Arnold is a highly recognized name in optometry with a strong focus on and passion for scleral contact lenses. He is a co-organizer of the International Congress of Scleral Contacts and shares his vast knowledge of scleral lenses at meetings across the globe. Dr. Arnold will be a co-presenter for Blanchard's hands-on Onefit MED workshop here at Vision by Design, and I'm happy to be here with him today. Dr. Tom Arnold, how are you doing?
Doing great, Matt. Great to be with you.
Okay, and we also have Lee Buffalo on the line with us. Lee Buffalo is National Sales Director at Blanchard Contact Lenses. He has been in the eye care industry for 44 years, 25 of which has been with Blanchard. Lee, how you doing?
I'm fine. How are you today?
Great, great. Thank you for joining us. Tom, I understand you and Dr. Steve Sorkin will be presenting a hands-on workshop on Blanchard's Onefit MED scleral lens. What can participants expect to learn?
Well, I'm very excited about this. Steve is a good friend of mine, and he himself has a lot of knowledge in this field. So we're really excited. In this workshop, we're mainly going to cover the Blanchard's latest addition to their Onefit family, the MED lens. And the MED takes its name from a medically indicated lens. And I was very, very fortunate to be in on the early development of this lens and got to test it as it was being developed. And it's a wonderful lens because it gives you complete control of all aspects of the fitting process. The MED lens has 4 distinct zones which can be modified, to optimize your fit. It has a central sagittal height zone. It has a mid-peripheral zone, a limbal zone, and then, of course, the haptic or landing or edge design. Each of these zones can be individually adjusted as necessary in terms of very small increments in height to achieve an optimal fit. The other thing that's a feature of just about all the Blanchard lenses that's especially attractive is that with one fitting set, you can design the lens however you need to for the best fit on your patient. And that is to say, with your standard Onefit MED kit of 15.6 overall diameter, you can design those lenses to be their prolate, or they can come oblate. They have a possibility of being a multifocal. You can put toric optics on the front surface. They have a new feature called the control peripheral recess, or CPR, which is a very sophisticated notching / vaulting system for dealing with those pingueculae. And then it has the landing or the edge can be not only toric, but it can be quad specific. So it's a very flexible lens that's easy to understand. And then there's excellent online fitting tools that are available. And we'll cover all of this in the workshop. We'll have the lenses there. We'll go out to the web and show how the people can use the fitting tool to design their lens. And then we'll have some case presentations. Steve and I have both used this lens a lot over the last couple of years, so we can share our experience with everybody. So it's always an exciting time, and Vision by Design is a great venue, and I'm very excited to be there and join you there, Matt.
That's great. Thanks, Tom. Lee, I have a question for you. How does Onefit MED differ from other scleral lenses available to practitioners?
Thank you, Matt. Well, Onefit MED lenses offer the fitter an intuitive approach to fitting scleral lenses, providing them sufficient control to customize the lens for highly irregular, medically indicated corneas, or just when they just need a bigger lens. The advanced design gives them total control over customizing 4 different fitting zones: central zone, or the sagittal height of the lens, mid-periphery, limbal, and edge zone. They're able to fine-tune their fit for a made-to-order custom scleral lens fit. Onefit MED lenses are very predictable, and final lens parameters can be determined and visualized using the Onefit MED fitting tool found at the Blanchard Lab website. Design serves as its own platform for oblate, front toric, toric haptic, quadrant specific, multifocal, and custom edge recesses for individuals with pinguiculas or other offending scleral elevations. And just like the rest of the Onefit platform, Onefit MED lenses minimize both lens thickness and lacrimal tear lens depth, optimizing oxygen transmission to the cornea and limbal stem cells for long-term ocular health. Blanchard supports our scleral lens practitioners with ongoing series of webinars, workshops, as well as an excellent consultation support staff.
That's Blanchard's Onefit MED workshop, Thursday, May 16th from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. And if you're interested in registering for Vision by Design and attending this workshop, Blanchard has provided us with a promo code for $50 off all practitioner registrations. Use the code BLA19 at checkout to get $50 off practitioner registrations, courtesy of our friends at Blanchard.